Happy winter solstice. Check out our Christmas Eve. Oh God, every time I make a video there's so much junk. Look at the water, not the trash. Remember I told you we were moving everything from the hill? This is real life, people. Oh God, it's horrible. The little creek is going to be full. So much for washing dishes today. I'm not standing out here in the cold. Or hell I might. Hell, I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe it'll stop. I usually try to keep you can see that plate right there beside the pine saw. I snuck a piece of Fidel's pecan pie. And I was going to hide it. And I didn't even get up. It's raining. It's a lot of rain. I need to put the solar panels up. Anyway, Merry Christmas Eve.